Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're tackling a tricky but important topic, increasing the open files limit in Windows. You might run into this if you're using applications that handle many files simultaneously, like a development environment or a database server. Windows has a default limit, and exceeding it can cause errors and program crashes. So, let's dive into how to adjust this limit and keep your system running smoothly. First, let's understand why this limit exists. Windows, like other operating systems, needs to manage resources efficiently. The open files limit is a way to prevent a single process from hogging all available resources. Now, let's see how we can modify it. We'll need to use the registry editor. A word of caution before we start. Editing the registry can be risky if done incorrectly. Always back up your registry before making any changes. To back up the registry, press Windows key +R, type regedit, and press Enter. In the registry editor, go to File and select Export. Choose a location and name for your backup file, and click Save. Now that we have a backup, let's proceed. Navigate to hkui_local_machine/system/current-control-set/services/LanmanServer/parameters. If you don't see a key called parameters, right-click on LanmanServer, select New, and then Key. Name the new key parameters. Next, we need to create two new DWORD, 32-bit, values within the parameters key. Right-click in the right-hand pane, select New, and then DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name the first value maxmpxct. Double-click maxmpxct and in the value data field, enter a higher value than the default. A good starting point is 2048. Choose decimal as the base. Click OK. Create another DWORD, 32-bit, value, and name it maxWorkItems. Again, double-click maxWorkItems and enter a value in the value data field. A suitable starting value here would be 8192. Ensure decimal is selected as the base. Click OK. These values effectively increase the number of simultaneous requests the server can handle, indirectly affecting the open files limit for certain applications. Remember, these changes primarily affect network file sharing. For local applications, the process is slightly different. You may need to modify the application's configuration file or environment variables to increase its specific file handle limit. Some applications might have built-in settings to adjust this. Consult the application's documentation for details. After making these registry changes, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. If you encounter any issues after making these changes, restore your registry from the backup you created earlier. Just open the registry editor, go to File, select Import, and choose the backup file. Increasing the open files limit can improve performance for certain applications. However, always monitor your system resources after making changes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Consider supporting us through comments or sharing the video with others. We appreciate your support.